Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is gonna be a cricket league tournament which happens in my society every year for 2 days, and this is the 7th season if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and I guess you can hear the sound because it has already started. So I'm heading down. I'm waiting for my friend's call, and yeah, it's just super fun, and like it's the festival of unity of my society, and everyone just comes down, and it's just so fun and chill to be like around these 2 days.
एक शॉट फिल्म आ गया है। अतुल आपने क्रीज से पहले ही
the next day.
Yes. Team fit. Call name है. Team. Call तेल आया है. और सीएसके मैच क्या जीत के बनती है? भारत में अच्छा है. Rashid अच्छी फील्डिंग सीधे सामने स्ट्रेट शॉट ये थ्री शॉट यस पुष्पा
बुआ मस्त
जाइए जीवन जीवन पूजा शायद उसके लिए लगेंगे नहीं
Approximately 10 hours later.
The next day today and day 2 of the cricket tournament. It has been raining quite heavily, although it's not raining now, but the ground is wet, so the matches are delayed. It's around 1.5 hours behind the schedule, and yeah, and also now it's the kids match which is starting, because obviously the kids can't play in the sun. So I am going to cheer my sister because she is also part of the team.
Very good, Saisha.
एक्स्ट्रा के बिना जीतना मुश्किल है, क्योंकि बॉल्स में 6 नहीं है।
It's around 5 now, and again I'm heading down. So I'd come home in the afternoon to eat and all, and also to sleep because I was very sleepy, and also I didn't sleep properly last night. So yeah, I just took a nap, and now let's go head down again. I guess you'll get hear the background noise, so it's gonna be very, very much fun.
You are on her YouTube channel. You have to say something.
Wait, she has a YouTube channel.
मैंने कहा था क्रॉस नहीं था।
हाँ, हो गया, हो गया, हो गया, हो गया।
धन्यवाद दिल्ली कैपिटल्स। जोरदार जीत हासिल की है। मिनट में 2 ट्रॉफी आपके ऊपर लाई गई थी। Three cheers for all three.
I hope you liked this cricket vlog. I mean, if you are a cricket fan, you'll have to like this. There's no option. I mean, just cricket adds so much joy and happiness to your life. It's just everything. I mean, it is just so relaxing, and at the same time you enjoy. You have so much fun. And this was the cricket tournament, the cricket league tournament of my society, which happens every year for 2 days. And this was the 7th season, which is so much fun. The whole building comes down, and it's just the festival of unity. So yes, that's that. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The next video is probably going to be a fest vlog, my college fest vlog, which will be uploaded by next week. So stay tuned for that, and bye bye.